All right, we're looking at 459. It says, use what you know about M and B to graph each rule below without making a table. It says draw a growth triangle for each line. So we're going to use the growth triangle to make the line. So I color coded these lines. So the first one's going to be in green. And we should know that -3 is the y-intercept. So down here at -3 on the y-axis is my first point. And then 2x means that my slope is 2 over 1, and it's positive. So I'm going to go up 2, right 1 from the point I plotted. So up 2, right 1 puts me there, and then I'm going to continue that same pattern. This is the growth triangle it's talking about. Okay, up 2, right 1. Okay, so those are the points I get. And then you would connect them to make your line. All right, let's look at the red one. Okay, the red one has the same slope, but it's negative. Okay, so I'm going to start at +5. Good thing I made my graph this size, it just fits. And if my slope is -2 over 1, I'm going to go down 2 and right 1. I'm going to go down 2 because that's the negative direction, and then the 1 is positive, so I would go right 1 from that point. So counting, this is down 1, 2, and then right 1. Okay, down 1, 2, right 1. Okay. And then I'm just going to keep doing that pattern until I get to the bottom. So then I connect those points to make a line. Okay, if you're doing it on the iPad, you're going to do the best job you can. Then the next line that I'm going to look at is the one I did in purple. And this one has no y-intercept, which means it starts here at 0, 0. Okay, and the slope is 3. So that means it's 3 over 1. So I'm going to go up 3, right 1. Okay, so it intersects that one. Unfortunately, I can't go up any higher because the graph, I didn't make it big enough, but I could find a point below. So if it's going to follow that same pattern and it has to fall into line, I'm going to go both negative directions. I'm going to go down 3 and left 1 to get my point here. And you can see how it fits that pattern and it will make a line. This one's going to be a steeper line. Okay. It will continue in this direction as well. All right, and the last one I believe is 1/2 x plus 1. So plus 1 would be right here, and 1/2 means I'm going up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2 from that point looks like it intercepts the green line. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. I did that one wrong. Okay. If I wanted to follow the pattern going the opposite way, I would go down 1 and left 2. Down 1 and left 2. Down 1, left 2. So each one of these pairs of points makes what's called a slope triangle. That was bad. Okay. So So this triangle here between those 2 points is your slope triangle or the growth triangle. I could pick any 2 points on any line and find that. So if I'm looking at the red line and I'm looking down here, I can draw a slope triangle and it shows me the rise is 2 and the run is 1. And it's going down from left to right. Do you see that? This line here, this red line, is going down from left to right, which means it's negative. Okay?